cuties, so we're back with another video. My name is Alexis and welcome to my channel. Today we are doing a Pinterest recreation. I found this eye look right here on Pinterest and I really loved it. It's different. So if you want to see how I got this little look, then please keep on watching. I was scrolling through Pinterest, as I do occasionally, looking for makeup inspiration, and I came across this picture right here, and I really liked it, so I'm going to recreate that look today. So I'm just going to go ahead and start with the eyes today. So I am taking my Tarte Shade Tape Concealer, and I am going to have glitter on my eyeball. Okay. And I'm going to use that to prime my lids. And take my Morphe sponge and blend it out. Alright, now that's done. So, now I'm just going to go ahead and into the James Charles Morphe palette. Surprise, surprise. I'm going to take the Morphe M441 brush. And I'm going in with the purple shade called Single. It's like a light purple shade. And now that is pigmented. And I'm just going to run that through my crease. Blend it up a little bit. So next, I'm going to take the Morphe M433 brush. I'm going to take the shade Escape, which is a darker purple shade, and I'm going to put that in my outer V and tuck it into the crease a little bit. So excited for this purple, it's so pretty. And pigmented. Pretty and pigmented. Yes. Okay, so now I'm just going to go back in with the M441 brush and take a little bit more of Single on the brush and just blend out those two colors. Okay. Okay, so now for that blue tone on the lid, I'm going to take the color Hello on a Morphe M152 brush, and I am just going to put that onto my lid. And Hello is just like a really pretty icy shimmery blue color. So I get in the zone and then I don't realize that my camera stopped recording, and now, like, I swear every single video I've done so far I'm like, sorry, my camera stopped recording. Like, what I did was, if you didn't know, I put Hello on the lid right here and I just packed it on first dry, and then I went in with the two brushes that I used to blend my crease, and I just blended that out, no additional product, and then I went over the blue with more blue, except I sprayed it with my Morphe setting spray, and that is where we are right now. So now I'm going to line my waterline and my tight line with this Maybelline Unstoppable eyeliner. Now I'm going in with the NYX Epic Ink Liner in black, and I'm going to do a small wing. Now I'm going to take some mascara. Actually, before I'm going to do that, let me just put some glue on my lashes. The lashes that I'll be using today are the Ardell Wispies. I'm going to put a coat on my top and bottom lashes. I'm gonna leave it like this and not wear lashes because, like, if I was wearing this in real life, I would probably leave it just like this with no lashes. So I'm not really a lashes girl, but for the sake of the video, I'm gonna pop on some lashes and I'll be right back. Now that the eyes are done, I'm going to work on my face. So first, I'm going in with my tried and true NYX Hydratouch foundation. NYX Hydratouch primer. This thing right here. I'm using it on my face. Next, I'm going to try out something new. I'm going to go with the NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. So I'm just going to take a little bit and put that on the areas that I highlight. And I'm using it underneath my foundations so that it's a little more natural and I won't have to add highlight on top of it. It'll be like I have a glow from the look. So now, going in, you already know what it is. Fenty Pro Filter Foundation and the shade, you guessed it, 420. That's me. And I'm going to put this on my face. Now, this will be the real test of this little liquid glow. So now I'm going with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, just a little bit. I'm taking my Revolution Luxury baking powder, and I'm literally just a little bit right underneath the eyes. And where else I said? Where else I put concealer? What colored lips do I want to do? This is the real challenge. Okay, so I just went in with Kylie Cosmetics Gloss and Glamour, right? Yeah, Glamour. So that's it. This is the completed look. Thank you guys so much for sticking all the way to the end. If you want to keep up with me, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. It will be down in the description box. Thank you so much for being a part of my little family. Over here, we are cute, confident, and a little bit crazy. But the crazy is what makes you unique. So, until next time, my dears, I will see you in the next video. Perfect.